Well, friends, it's time for a very important announcement, and the honors of that responsibility has fallen on me as the Global Vice President of International Federation of Electric Vehicle Association. You're all very familiar, you're all pretty close, you're all pally, friendly with a personality called Dr. Shailendra Saroj, who is none other than our chairman and the founder of International Federation of Electric Vehicle Association. Well, a couple of days back, we were having some serious discussions, and in that discussions, I think after 5 years of valiant leadership, and from nothing, if he has brought iFavor to this stature and position, I think we should all give him a standing ovation for that. Shall we all stand up once? Let's give a standing ovation for his performance. Kindly be seated.
I must tell you the education also, sir. Please tell the education of Saroj. He has studied so much.
Yeah. He's a graduate in electronics and communications engineering, and he has masters in management, and he's also a PhD in management. And I always feel that a great leader is somebody who doesn't hang to leadership himself for long years. And a great leader is someone who, as early as possible, identifies somebody else who can also take responsibility and breed more and more leaders. I was surprised in the last couple of days when I was talking to him. I discovered that Dr. Shailendra Saroj belongs to that breed of great leaders. And the news for you today is that it is Dr. Shailendra Saroj with the board members of iFavor, which includes Dr. Deepak Wadhwa, Dr. Rajiv Mishra, and Sri Sunil Bhatnagarji, and myself, and the rest of the board. We were all together, and Dr. Shailendra Saroj made an announcement that I think 2026 is the year I have to drop myself from the chairmanship and give this responsibility to someone who is dynamic and who can take iFavor forward to the next greater heights. Then came the dilemma of who should be that kind of a leader. Where is that? Where is that leader? So on the search, we all have discovered yet another dynamic leader who has had a much impactful footing in the automotive industry, and he is a pretty well-known name. Tata knows him, Ashok Leyland knows him, Mahindra knows him, Kirloskar knows him, and several of the industry's stalwarts know this gentleman. And the honors of the next responsibility for the year 2026, the chairmanship of iFavor goes to, are you going to take a guess? Anyone?
Dr. Kalyan.
You made my job pretty easy. It is Dr. Kalyan Kumar Hatiji, who is going to be the chairman hereafter. I request the new chairman, Dr. Kalyan Kumar Hatiji, to please come onto the dais. And I also request the board to please come onto the stage. Dr. Rajiv Mishra, Sunil Bhatnagarji. I don't see Deepak Wadhwaji to be, oh yes, we discovered Deepak Wadhwa. And we also request Dr. Samuel Verghese to please come onto the dais. And I think equally, shall we all say advance congratulations to Dr. Kalyan Kumar Hatiji and give also a standing ovation for his new role. Can you all do this exercise once more? Yeah, let's give a big hand to Dr. Kalyan Kumar Hatiji. We trust that Dr. Kalyan Kumar Hatiji will take up this responsibility with all dedication and involvement and take iFavor to the next great heights. We look forward to that time, and we will be celebrating this in December 2026. Thank you, sir. Well, I'm sorry to say that the other board member, Sri Divesh Gargji, is not in good health and he is not present. But the majority of the board is available on the dais here. And now to honor the new chairman, Dr. Kalyan Kumar Hatiji. Oh, this is a great moment. This is a great moment. This deserves a rich applause. Well, I don't want to miss this occasion, and let me come for a picture with you.